Ever wondered how bruxism is actually treated? Let's break it down in a simple, non-graphic way. This condition needs treatment because constant teeth grinding can wear down enamel and strain the jaw. Dentists first examine the teeth and bite, then create a custom night guard to prevent damage during sleep. Tools include dental impressions and protective mouth guards. But here's the real magic: the guard absorbs pressure and protects enamel overnight. The treatment is simple and safe. Benefits include reduced pain, better sleep, and preventing long-term damage with easy daily use. Would you consider this treatment if you ever